Remember what I did in the beginning? It was called triangle shuffle, right? I take half the cards
Alright.
and I take them all face up, right? And then I shuffle these face up. Give me a second. Yep, there you go. Face up into face down. So all these cards kind of randomized. It makes it harder for me to shuffle it, right? Before I magically flip them over, but we're gonna try something different. This way I'm gonna try and find all 4 of the 7s, right? So the first one I have four chances to get, right? If I don't get it exact, it's fine. Let's see, 1 cut, 2 cuts. That 4th cut should give me that first 7, which is already pretty impressive, right? If I'm playing this in a casino, I already got one of the 7s if I want it. It gets progressively harder though, right? So if I want to find the 3rd one,
3 left.
right, I have smaller chances of getting that card. 2, and let's say, I think, right there. The 3rd 7, right? So now I have 2 of the 7s.
Yeah.
I have 2 left, right? Which means I have to get almost perfect for the last 2. Let's see. I think it's 1 cut, 2, 3. 3rd 7. So I have 3 7s. The last one's always by far the most difficult, right? Because I have to hit it exactly. If I don't get it, it's okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, so that happens sometimes. I miss it, right? But the good thing about being a magician is I can always change cards. So if I take this ace and I blow on it, actually changes to, okay, it doesn't change to an ace, right? But I said I was gonna find a 4 of a kind. So I just tap.
They're all aces.
All aces. Right, but I'm not done because what I do in the beginning. What did I do in the beginning? Try and shuffle,
You
right?
cut it first.
All I do is snap, and every single card turns face up, except for 4 cards face down in the middle. There's still 4 7s, I promised you.
哎呀，
Oh.
他不仅把这个变了，还把
Right,
这个
but the thing is,
哇，
I have to admit I did cheat, right? Because these, as a magician, I'm using marked cards. You can see these are all red, right? Red, red, red. It's very easy to find them because this deck is actually completely blue.
我的眼睛。
你那800度我也不信了。
哇，man，他不仅是往一个 trick，那边还把这个7个放下去，还把 turn around。Wow, that's quite a complicated one. Very good, very good, very good.
哎呀，真的。
干的真是很。
太厉害了，太厉害了，小孩。
跟你讲的现在怎么做的这个，还真是很多。
Okay, perfect. Who's first? You're first. Okay. Could you go ahead and shuffle these cards for me? Just mix them around. And I'll have you do the same, the second one.
Okay.
Go ahead and shuffle these around. And you're next. Okay, perfect. Could you go ahead and shuffle these? Go ahead and shuffle these. And whenever you're done, you can put it on the table in front of you.
Okay.
Okay. So you're happy with how much you shuffled, right? Is this your pile? Yeah. Okay. Could you go ahead and just you, right? Take a look at any one of these 5 cards and memorize it.
And the what?
Any one of these 5 cards.
One.
Oh, okay.
Right. So you can memorize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any one of these.
Okay.
You got it. Don't forget it. That's important. Okay. Perfect. And then I'll have you do the same. So memorize any one of these 5 cards.
Just one of them.
Just
Pick
one.
one. Okay.
Just one.
Okay.
Basically, pick one of them. Remember in your head.
Okay.
Okay. I have you do the same. So number 1 of these. Okay. You got it. Okay. Perfect. I have you do the same. Memorize one of these. Okay, got it. And I have you do the same. Memorize.
Okay.
You got it.
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
You want to take a look at it? Just don't forget. It's all because don't forget.
your eyes.
Okay, and the thing about magicians, if I spread out these cards, I might be able to guess. Maybe your eyes are looking at this card. Maybe your eyes are looking at this card.
Yeah.
So then, just go ahead and shuffle these piles. Go ahead and shuffle your cards. Just there's no way I would know what your card is, what position your card is in.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
And then when you're done, you can send it. Okay, perfect. Could you point to any pile for me? Point to one.
Point.
Yep.
This
This middle one? Okay, point to another one. I'm gonna stack these up randomly, so it's this one. Okay, point to another one. This one, okay. And then
Then the last one.
the last one, okay, and then this one. Okay, so I'm gonna deal them out to find new piles because sometimes I have people who memorize all 5 cards,
Oh.
right? And it's really annoying because then I can't tell which card that they're memorizing, right? So if I deal them out to 5 new piles, then if you memorize all 5 cards, these will be different 5 cards, right? So it wouldn't be the same. Okay, 5. And I'll flip these over, right? So you want to see the same 5 cards that you saw in your pile if you happen to memorize all 5 of them. Which you should have, right? Everybody memorized 1. Don't
Right.
forget it. Okay.
And just remember one.
Perfect. All 5 cards. Okay. You went first, right? Could you point to the pile that you see your card in? Not which card it is, but what pile you see it in.
Point to?
Yes,
Yeah,
which
which
pile you
pile?
see
The
it?
last
The
one.
last pile. So you could have thought of any card, right? You shuffle the deck.
Yeah.
Ace of Hearts.
Yes.
Wow.
Which pile do you see your card in? This one. King of Hearts. If I'm straight guessing, that's 1 in 5 chance, 1 in 5 chance, 1 in 25 chance. Right?
Oh.
I could. That's still possible.
Oh.
Right? Could you go ahead? You see your card in this pile. Jack of Clubs. And you have. You see your card. You picked the same card again. Two cards.
Exactly.
Two cards. And you went last. Which pile do you see your card?
Second to the last pile.
This one? This one?
This one, yeah.
6 of diamonds.
Yeah.
Now you believe everything.
I believed it 3 times ago.